Hello, today is Saturday, January 13th, 2018, 1628, 46 degrees in Dallas, yahoo! Alright, and we're out here with a Panasonic RX-4945F, as in Frank. Okay, and here's out here at the dog park. Get away from our water, there you go. Alright, so out here at the dog park, this has a, well here, let's just go through, let me do this, let me start a recording. Okay, there's no tape counter on this model, so it's alright, it's okay, it's fine, I'm just, this is how it happens. Okay. Anyway, so here's, this has, what? This has, left and right microphones, left and right speakers, 1/4-inch headphone jack, and AC input, but no 9-volt input jack to power it. Of course, it takes you know, 9 volts, 60 batteries. There we go. And now it over here. Let's see here. So then we have what? We have tone, balance, volume. Your standard buttons. There's no music search on this model. It does have a radio tape on-off switch. FM, medium wave, shortwave 1 and 2. Medium wave is AM in this country. It's got a stereo mono switch to help you tune with it. And then of course when you are tuning, this is your main tuning knob, and this is your fine tuning knob for shortwave only, okay? And in the back here it takes 60 batteries. There is the back label. I watched another person video that he had of a national of the same model, so I thought that was interesting. This one has world voltage selectable with a screwdriver, of course, you know how to do that, right? Okay, so that's what it looks like all the way around here. And like I said, I'm standing here on the tune end, and I'm making a recording on batteries, talking hopefully to the front of this machine. So now let me flip it to the radio, and well, before I do that, this is for sale, okay? Let me get out my camera, which I failed to, which I forgot to zip through the pictures. So as I try to cue up the pictures to the beginning, come on you slow thing. There we go. So that's it. So there. Okay, so here's the beginning of this as I try to scroll through here so quickly. It's got the box, original box, and the instructions to it. Here I was just trying to show the same thing I just showed just now. There's the instructions, and that's the box to it. And there, okay, here I took it apart to service it. Okay, and there's it flopped open. And the tuning knob was a secret. You have to mount the tuning knob in the front of the radio when you install it, otherwise it won't line up properly. Those are the speaker wires to the front. There's the woofer. It's a 3-ohm woofer. That's as far as I got. And then there's that, and just how that goes on that piece. That's the amp chip, if you could see that. Anyway, here's the old belt that I took out, and then there's like that, and that's the motor. So it's 1984 model. And then oh, that's right, the door, that's the last picture. The door is supposed to be a soft eject system. Well, it doesn't, because the gear, there's a space between the gear and the hydraulic thingamabob that's supposed to rotate the door opening slowly. It doesn't do that, so it just flies open. Okay, so now let me transition this to the radio. Okay, so here's the radio. Let me change hands so I can tune it better and hold the camera. And see here, so got it on shortwave. Let me, oh, by the way, the antenna goes up pretty high, pretty easily. Let's see here. See that there? There's the antenna up pretty high. All right, so let's tune it some more. Here's something. So that's on Shortwave 2 and
Sama-sama, Ayura.
fine tune it with this. Like that. Okay. And there's shortwave 1. Let's see here. Where's shortwave 1? That's what? The up here. There's something. Oh boy, I really have to. Well, I don't have time to dicker with that. Here's medium wave.
400. Scared, you're all alone. You.
Okay. This has a stereo light right there.
That's creditkarma.com/radio.
Yeah. Okay. Has a balance.
En la vida del creyente fiel, aunque a veces hay pruebas amargas.
Well, the tape went to the end, so let's rewind the tape. I don't know how far back I get to where I was at. See here. I don't know. No tape kind of, so I just have to kind of guess where I was at because I recorded a lot of stuff. It's got the box, original box, and the instructions to it. Yeah, so that's when I was going through the radio or the pictures. So I go back a bit further, see if I can get a stereo recording off of this. 7 minutes. All right. And in the back here, Take 60 batteries. There is the back label. I watched another person video that he had of a national of the same model, so I thought that was interesting. This one has world voltage selectable with a screwdriver. Of course, you have to do that, right? Okay, so that's what it looks like all the way around here. Like I said, I'm standing here on the tune ends and I'm making a recording on batteries, talking hopefully to the front of this machine. So let me flip it to the radio. And well, before I do that, all right, so let me flash forward this to there. So fast forwarding it. The gear and the still yakking. Okay, let's see here. Wait, that's no fast forward. That's where you go. Yeah, so about there should have radio. Nope, that was the end. Okay, rewind it. There's the radio. Okay. All right, well, I didn't have it tuned right, so here, let me kick this out. All right, flip it out. Like I said, it flops out quickly. Let me put this in my pocket. Oops. Put this in my pocket and get, oh here, what's this? Okay, here's some, what is that? I don't even know. It's what, number 1? Okay. Play.
Ready or not, here we come, getting down on the one which we...
I don't want to sell that, but that's, you know, these people. All right, so what else did I bring? Oh, we got some, what is this, side 1? Okay. Okay, that's not a very good tape. Sorry I brought it out here. Let's see, what else have I got? I got the Bluetooth. I'll end with that. Let's see here. Should have one more tape. Yeah, I got this one. Okay. This is a side B. Okay.
Talking about saying so all the time, Lee. Stealing in that and stealing in the name of the Lord.
So that works. And of course, if you've got a Bluetooth adapter like I do, you can take this and drop this in. Okay, drop that in, like that. Hit play. There you go. And let's make sure the Okay. Okay, that's volume is halfway, the balance is in the middle, and so is the tone. Alright, so the tone is halfway. Okay, so now it's 10 minutes. Great. So let me get out my phone. Where did I put it? It's in this pocket. I'll get it out. Fumbling with my jacket. It's in this pocket here. I'm trying to get it out of here. It's stuck with all the other. There we go. Okay, so now turn the phone on. Right? New subscriber. Yahoo. Hit that. I'm on now. Slow thing. External. Okay. Boombox directory. Here, you want to hear this, right? Here, play that MP3. Hit the wrong one. Yeah. That's not good. Alright, now wait. This one? I'd probably get in trouble for that, but okay. Nah, I want something good. I'm always looking for something in here. Wish I had, what was that? Our House? Oh, great.
Have you seen OS?
Yeah, I haven't seen your house. No.
OS.
Okay, yeah, let's just. How do we? There we go.
Nothing ever slows her down and the missus runs about.
Okay, alright, well, I get in trouble. Let's see. Female sing. What female? Walking on Sunshine? There we go, yeah. Alright, well, I could bore you to death with music that it can play, but it does work. Records, plays, the radio works, it's for sale, it comes with a box. That's about all I know. Okay, so it's for sale. Looks like this. Blemishes, I don't know of any. Here's a little blemish, if you can call that. Might be just a piece of dirt, or just maybe it can be I don't know. But I do have the box to it, the instruction manual. It's pretty clean if you ask me. Like I said, I serviced it, put a new belt in it, cleaned the controls. That's about all I know. So it's for sale. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Yet another, oh, and that's right, I saw the man had the Panasonic, the national one, of the same thing. Anyway, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go.